If you're tired of dead zones killing your connection, routers that can't handle multiple devices, or expensive flagship models with features you'll never use, you need to see this. Today, we're counting down the 5 best Wi-Fi routers that deliver reliable coverage, fast speeds, and advanced features for every need. From cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 gaming routers to flexible open-source solutions, these routers prove you don't need to compromise performance for value. Whether you're a gamer demanding low latency, power user wanting complete control, or anyone needing rock-solid home network, we've got the perfect router. I've dropped updated links in the description. At number 5 is the Asus ROG Rapture GT BE98 Pro Wi-Fi 7 gaming router at $600 to $800. The ROG Rapture GT BE98 Pro features cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 technology delivering speeds up to 25 gigabits per second total bandwidth. The quad-band configuration includes dedicated 6 GHz band for gaming traffic. The gaming features include Game Boost prioritizing gaming packets. The aggressive ROG styling includes customizable RGB lighting. The hardware includes 2.5 gigabits per second WAN port and dual 10 gigabits per second LAN ports. The 8 antennas provide extensive coverage. The A-Mesh support enables mesh networking. The gaming features include VPN fusion allowing simultaneous VPN and regular connections, and adaptive QoS. The security includes lifetime free AI Protection Pro. For hardcore gamers wanting absolute best performance or enthusiasts with 10 gigabits per second internet, this delivers cutting-edge experience. The premium pricing and gaming focus place it at number 5. At number 4 is the Netgear Nighthawk BE6500 dual-band Wi-Fi 7 router at $400 to $600. The Nighthawk BE6500 features Wi-Fi 7 technology with dual-band configuration, delivering combined speeds up to 6.5 gigabits per second. The 320 MHz channel bandwidth on 6 GHz band provides exceptional throughput. The Wi-Fi 7 features include multi-link operation improving reliability. The Nighthawk design is sleek and modern. The hardware includes 2.5 gigabit per second WAN port and multiple gigabit LAN ports. The 6 high-performance antennas provide solid coverage. The quad-core processor handles multiple devices smoothly. The features include automatic firmware updates, Netgear Armor security, and smart parental controls. The Nighthawk app simplifies setup and management. For users wanting Wi-Fi 7 at reasonable pricing, families needing reliable coverage, or anyone seeking established brand reliability, this delivers solid mainstream performance. At number 3 is the TP-Link Archer BE9300 tri-band Wi-Fi 7 router at $500 to $700. The Archer BE9300 features Wi-Fi 7 tri-band configuration delivering combined speeds up to 9.3 gigabits per second. The dedicated 6 GHz band provides interference-free performance. The Wi-Fi 7 technology includes 4K-QAM modulation improving efficiency. The hardware includes 10 gigabit per second WAN/LAN combo port and 4 2.5 gigabit per second LAN ports. The 6 antennas with beam-forming focus signal toward devices. The quad-core processor handles demanding workloads. The EasyMesh support enables mesh networking. The features include Home Shield security with parental controls, QoS prioritization, and network protection. The Tether app provides easy management. For users wanting tri-band Wi-Fi 7, homes with many devices, or anyone needing versatile ports, this delivers comprehensive performance at competitive pricing. Coming in at number 2 is the Asus RT-BE86 UBE6800 dual-band Wi-Fi 7 router at $450 to $650. The RT-BE86U features Wi-Fi 7 dual-band delivering combined speeds up to 6.8 gigabits per second. The Wi-Fi 7 technology provides lower latency and improved efficiency over Wi-Fi 6. The 6 GHz band includes 320 MHz channels for maximum throughput. The elegant design suits modern home aesthetics. The hardware includes 10 gigabit per second WAN port, 4 2.5 gigabit per second LAN ports, and USB 3.2 port for network storage. The 4 high-gain antennas provide strong coverage. The powerful processor handles intensive network traffic. The A-Mesh support enables flexible mesh networking with other Asus routers. The features include AI Protection Pro lifetime free security, adaptive QoS for traffic prioritization, and VPN server capabilities. The ASUSWRT interface provides advanced configuration options. The mobile app enables remote management. For power users wanting Wi-Fi 7 with advanced features, Asus ecosystem users, or anyone needing 10 gigabits per second WAN connectivity, this delivers excellent flagship performance. The strong feature set and Asus reliability place it at number 2. 2. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the GL.iNet GL-MT6000 Flint 2, earning this position by delivering the best overall balance of performance, features, flexibility, and value. Pricing runs from about $200 to $300. The Flint 2 features Wi-Fi 6 dual-band delivering combined speeds up to 6 gigabits per second. The MT7986A processor provides powerful performance handling, VPN encryption, and network traffic efficiently. The 1 GB RAM ensures responsive operation even under heavy load. The modern design with OLED display provides network information at a glance. The hardware configuration is comprehensive with 2.5 gigabit per second WAN port, 4 gigabit LAN ports, and USB 3.0 port for network storage or tethering. The 4 high-gain antennas provide solid coverage for medium to large homes. The fanless design ensures silent operation. The build quality is excellent with metal construction providing durability. The defining feature is OpenWRT-based firmware, providing unprecedented customization and control. The open-source foundation enables advanced configurations impossible on consumer routers. The powerful package manager allows installing additional software including ad blocking, advanced VPN clients, network monitoring tools, and custom scripts. The web interface balances user-friendly operation with professional-grade options. The VPN capabilities are exceptional with hardware-accelerated WireGuard and OpenVPN. The VPN server enables secure remote access to home network. The VPN client allows routing all traffic through VPN provider, protecting entire household. The kill switch ensures traffic never leaks outside VPN tunnel. The VPN speeds are excellent, maintaining near full bandwidth with WireGuard. The privacy and security features are comprehensive. The built-in AdGuard home blocks ads and tracking across all devices. The DNS encryption with DNS over HTTPS protects DNS queries from ISP monitoring. The firewall includes advanced rules supporting complex network segmentation. The Tor support enables anonymous browsing. The guest network provides isolated access. The performance is excellent with the MediaTek processor, handling gigabit internet speeds easily. The Wi-Fi 6 technology provides modern performance sufficient for most households. The dual-band configuration covers typical device needs. The beamforming improves connection stability. The network throughput remains consistent under load. The management interface provides both simple and advanced modes. The beginners can use straightforward setup wizard and basic controls. The power users can access full open WRT configuration, enabling professional-level networking. The OLED display shows real-time network statistics, VPN status, and system information without opening interface. The SSH access enables command line management. What makes the Flint 2 #1 is delivering professional-grade router capabilities at consumer pricing. The OpenWRT Foundation provides flexibility impossible on locked-down consumer routers. The VPN performance enables protecting entire household without device-by-device configuration. The privacy features, including AdGuard and DNS encryption, provide comprehensive protection. The open-source nature ensures long-term software support and community development. The hardware specifications provide genuine performance-matching routers, costing significantly more. The build quality ensures reliability with metal construction and quality components. The fanless design maintains silent operation. The comprehensive port selection covers typical needs including network storage. The value proposition is exceptional, providing advanced features typically requiring multiple devices. The built-in VPN client eliminates need for subscription VPN routers. The AdGuard integration replaces Pi-hole setups. The OpenWRT flexibility enables custom network configurations. The overall capability rivals commercial networking equipment at fraction of cost. For privacy-conscious users wanting network-wide protection, power users demanding customization, VPN users needing fast encrypted connections, budget-conscious buyers seeking advanced features, tech enthusiasts wanting open-source flexibility, or anyone wanting best overall router value, the GL.iNet Flint 2 delivers exactly that. The combination of OpenWRT flexibility, exceptional VPN performance, comprehensive privacy features, excellent hardware, and outstanding value pricing makes it the best Wi-Fi router you can buy right now.